Welcome back to another video. So today's video will be discussing on how to prevent or at least minimize your losses. So here we had a nice bearish sell-off, and the reason why I had this trade was from the basic principles of our strategy. So basically having the market moving in an impulse corrective phase and then predicting that next impulse. So very simple. This was our corrective area we were trying to get involved in. And remember, these corrective movements, they move in a series of 3 touches. So whether you're basing your trade off the resistance or the support, it should at least have 3 touches. So in a case of a sell, you're going to look at your resistance because you want to sell from, you want to sell high, and instead of selling from the support. So here we had 1, 2, 3 sell off, and then we also had like a small corrective move from right after this small impulse. So that would have been your second opportunity to enter the setup. But then say if you are not that well equipped with trading these type of structures and strategies, there is actually a quick easy fix for you. You can go ahead and actually use AI to predict these movements and just improve your overall trading journey. So I would like to introduce what we call IQ Matix. It is an online trading platform where you can integrate AI into trading for you or helping you with trading. IQ Matix robot assistance is completely free. All you have to do is make a deposit and start using it. IQ Matix is available in 130 countries and is used by more than 1.8 million traders. And the platform has already made 45 million payments to its traders. The platform allows you to register very quickly. To sign up, you simply need to provide your email address and create a password. The registration process is very quick, taking less than a minute. The link will be down in the description or the pinned comment. And as you can see, IQ Matix has a demo account where you have $10,000 to make trial trades and test the robot. But personally, I have my own account. There's real money on it, and we will try the robot on it. When you add funds to your account, it is very easy to do so. You click make a deposit and select the available payment method. There are a lot of ways available, such as Visa, MasterCard, and so on. FNB, Absa, Capitec, Bank, all your card banks are available. So choose what is convenient for you. Next, you need to deposit the amounts. The minimum payment is only 180 Rand, but to fully start making a transaction, I recommend an amount of, close to 1,000, like 900 Rands. That's fine. Please note that you can make trades manually to the right of the chart. And on the chart, you can display one of 5 indicators and set time intervals. In other words, you can still analyze the situation yourself and make decisions, but today we will try to transact with a robot. First of all, we need to choose the asset or pair on which we will make transactions. It is best to choose the asset with the highest yield. Next, you need to choose the amount for which we will make transactions, and choose the intervals for which we will make transactions. Let it be minute intervals. Now we choose the technical indicators that the robot will focus on. These can be standard indicators, but it's best to choose the AI indicator because AI analyzes your behavior in transactions that you made manually and takes into account all the parameters at once. This will be the best thing to do, in my opinion. If you increase the risk level, the platform will be able to independently increase the transaction amount if it calculates that now it is the right time for this. And this is cool, but first, let's try to make transactions with a fixed amount. And the last thing, choose profit limit. This is the amount that we want to earn and stop there. That is, suppose we decide to leave the robot overnight with minimal risk, like little risk, not like minimal, and I mean minimal. And tell it to stop at a profit of let's say 1,000 rand, and then take no more risk right after that. Once the target is reached, um, the robot will do so. All right, so guys, I've been using the robot behind the scenes just to get the feel of it, just to get used to it. As you can see, these are like some of the trades, the past trades that I took just to test out the robot myself and get the hang of it. So I will be showing you how in real time how the robot actually works, right? So we're gonna have our trade or initial amount starting from 150, and then with the asset selection we're gonna have the robot actually doing that for us. So it's gonna select whatever pair that it fits best for that specific scenario. And then when it comes to indicators, we are gonna use the AI indicator, but then the other options as well. But then for application, we're gonna use the AI, and then the risk we're gonna go. Let me see. Definitely conservative. You can also do a fixed amount. Actually, let's do fixed amount. That sounds better. Regarding the profit limit, we're not gonna set any. So yeah, we do have a balance of 27,000, just over 27,000. Yeah, we can go ahead and start the robot and see how it plays out. So the duration will be a minute, so the trade will be open for a minute. So let's go ahead and see what the robot chooses. Okay, so Euro USD is what the robot chose. Here's the countdown. So you guys can see we had a profit of 130 rand in just under a minute with the robot. New balance is it's just shy of 27,700. So let's go ahead and make another trade. So same settings, auto at asset selection 150, a minute duration, the indicators AI, fixed amount, no profit limit. So let's go ahead and see. Okay, so the robot chose Euro USD once again. So this will take a minute. So these are the past trades. All right. There we go. So it made another 130 rand profit. So let's go ahead and call it a day. So here's our new balance, 27,800 rand. So good results from the robot. So you can withdraw funds just as easily and in the same way as you added your funds or deposited your funds into your account. The withdrawal is done through the IQ option platform. Trade Matix also has a VIP channel where they quickly signal opportunities with various assets. You can pick up the suggestions and try them yourself. Apparently, they often work. So, VIP Telegram channel is available to all users after the first deposit. I think if you're interested in trading, you should definitely try trading with the IQ Matix. If you're a beginner, this will help you understand and be able to make successful trades from the very beginning. And if you're more of an experienced trader, this can have a qualitative impact on your trading experience. So be sure to follow my link in the description or in the attached comment and test it yourself. It is very cool that Acumatus is available in the mobile version as well. They have an app in the Play Store. In other words, you can set the robot to work for a while and then go about your day. Uh, whether you want to check it out in the middle of the night or during the day, someone public transport, for an example, to make sure that everything is still in order, if it's still earning money, or if you want to stop the trade since it has made enough trades. Thank you guys for watching. We've come to the end of the video. Make sure you guys follow our Instagram page at Manandothegoat _ setups. So this is where we post all our setups. If you guys are interested in learning, you can just scroll through this page and get that information.